Ladies and gentlemen, mesdames et messieurs, tonight, a feat of magic never before performed by this crafter. Before your very eyes, my lovely assistant Jan and I will transform this ordinary tablecloth. Yes, ordinary tablecloth into a fun fall frock. Time for the magic words. Hocus pocus, bibbidi bobbidi boo. Bobbin thread, don't run out until I'm through. Magic isn't going to get this made. Only hard work will. Time for constructing. Here's my idea for the fun fall frock. Doing an apron dress, overall dress, pinafore, dungaree dress, whatever you want to call it. Yes, I have thought about including a pocket. The back, doing the little straps, coming over, and I have an idea for a pattern. I want to use this! Simplicity 8447. Just looking at the top part of this. It's perfect. And then whatever material I have left, I'll just use for the skirt. Because I don't have a lot of material because it's a tablecloth. I do want to have the buttons up here instead of around the back. And part of the main reason why I want to do this instead of some other way of making this outfit dress, I need to learn how to make buttons. Buttonholes. I've been putting this off for so long, the time has come. I need this for a large costume project that I'm working on. This is a good way to learn how to make buttonholes. Yeah. I have already figured out what pieces I need. So my next step is to cut them out. Someone has decided to come and help me. Not sure how helpful he's really being. After watching a couple of tutorials on how to make buttonholes, I put the button foot on my machine and I experimented. Then I tried to figure out how big I need to make my buttonhole. And my first attempt was a little too big. I think that's too big. Third one though, boop-a-da-doop, it goes through. Not just one pocket, but two. I mostly followed the directions for this, at least when I could understand them. And when I couldn't, I just did the best I could. Overall, very pleased with the results. Thanks for watching. I hoped you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more, click that subscribe button. Until next time, have fun and be creative.
Pretentious, isn't she?